AI agencies are dead. I know that sounds dramatic, but it's the truth no one wants to admit. The golden era of AI agencies is over. And what's replacing them is making people rich. Quietly, efficiently, and automatically. So today, I'm showing you the model that printed $1 million. With almost no employees, no fancy office, and no cold calling. Just smart automation and leverage. This video will change how you see AI forever. So stick around. Because this isn't theory. It's a real business. Built with AI tools anyone can use. And I'll even show you the exact system. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. You'll understand why that number matters. Because it's the secret to scaling everything. But first, let's talk about why AI agencies are collapsing. Every day, a new AI automation agency launches. And every day, another one quietly dies. Why? Because they're all doing the same thing. Copying each other's templates. Selling the same services. Using the same prompts. Competing for the same clients. That's a race to the bottom. Prices drop. Clients churn. Margins vanish. It's not a business, it's a treadmill. And the treadmill always wins. So what's the alternative? Let me show you the pivot that changed everything. I stopped thinking like an agency owner. And started thinking like a product founder. Instead of offering AI services, I built one AI productized system. One problem. One solution. One outcome. And it exploded. Simplicity beats complexity, every time. Here's how it worked. I picked a niche. Not a broad one, a very specific one. Businesses that already had customers. Already making money. But wasting time. They didn't need new leads. They needed automation. So I gave them exactly that. For a fraction of the cost. And I only got paid when it worked. That one guarantee changed the game. Suddenly clients trusted me instantly. They knew I believed in my results. And they paid more because of it. I stopped chasing clients. Clients started chasing me. That's when I built the system. One workflow. One AI engine. One dashboard. It replaced hours of manual work. Saved clients thousands. And I charged a simple monthly fee. That's not an agency anymore. That's a SaaS-style business. Run on AI. With no coding. No employees. Just systems. Let me break it down. Step 1. Pick your niche. Step 2. Find the pain point. Step 3. Automate it with AI. Step 4. Package it as a product. Step 5. Charge recurring. That's it. No fancy funnel. No daily cold calls. Just repeatable value. When I did that, everything changed. Revenue stabilized. Stress disappeared. Clients stayed longer. I worked less. I earned more. And I realized something. AI agencies aren't failing because AI doesn't work. They're failing because the model is outdated. You can't sell manual labor in an automated world. You must productize or die. That's the shift. That's the opportunity. And that's how I printed $1 million. Without scaling a big team. Without VC money. Without burnout. Just leverage. And focus. Still with me? Good. Because here's where it gets wild. I tested dozens of AI tools. Most were overhyped. Some were flat out broken. But one tiny tool changed everything. It generated $100 in less than 60 seconds. No human input. No manual editing. Just automation. That was my eureka moment. I knew if it could make $100 once, it could make $1,000. Then $10,000. Then $1 million. Scale is just repetition done smart. And AI never gets tired. It never complains. It just executes. That's when I realized, the future isn't AI agencies, it's AI assets. Businesses built once. That work forever. While you sleep. While you travel. While you create. That's the future we're stepping into. But only if you adapt. And you can. Because I'm breaking it all down right here. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I drop AI money-making tools every week. If you're serious about building income streams, stay tuned. Back to the system. The $1 million model has 3 pillars. Pillar 1, automation. Pillar 2, audience. Pillar 3, offer. Automation handles fulfillment. Audience drives traffic. Offer locks in revenue. You only need those 3. Everything else is noise. When I focused on them, results exploded. Clients doubled. Retention tripled. Stress dropped to 0. I finally had freedom again. That's when I knew, this isn't a hustle. It's a system. Anyone can build it. Even without code. Even without money. Even without experience. You just need the blueprint. And that's what this video is for. So take notes. Because the internet moves fast. The winners move faster. Let's go deeper. You don't need clients. You need users. You don't need calls. You need conversions. You don't need hustle. You need automation. That's how this works. I didn't chase attention. I chased efficiency. And efficiency makes money. Every second saved is profit earned. Every workflow automated is scale unlocked. That's how this $1 million AI business runs on autopilot. Want to know the kicker? It's not even new technology. It's just smarter stacking of existing tools. I built a small stack. Linked them with APIs. Gave it a clean front end. Sold it as a system. That's all. Simplicity equals power. Power equals profit. And that's what agencies miss. They overcomplicate everything. They burn out trying to scale services, but services don't scale. Systems do. That's the whole lesson. Learn it early. Apply it now. And you'll be ahead of 99% of people in the game. Because this isn't about hype. It's about leverage. Build leverage once, profit forever. That's the AI revolution. That's the movement. And you're early. So, want the $100 tool? I'll reveal it in a second. But remember, it's not magic. It's just leverage. Use it right, and it prints. Use it wrong, and it flops. The difference is execution. And you're about to see how to execute. The tool automates a full workflow. Turns hours into minutes. And costs less than lunch. It's what made me my first $100. Then paid my rent. Then built my empire. That's why I'm sharing it. Because it still works. But only if you act fast. So make sure you're subscribed. Because in tomorrow's video, I'm revealing the full walkthrough. Every click, every screen, every automation. You'll see it all. And once you do, you'll never look at AI the same. The future is already here. You just have to build with it. So if you're ready, stay tuned. Because this is just the beginning. The age of AI products starts now. AI agencies? Finished. AI systems? Rising. You can choose which side you're on. Choose wisely. Choose early. And choose action. Because execution beats ideas. Every single time. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Hit subscribe. Let's build your AI empire together.